Okay, this week we're looking at equations of lines. Last year you saw y equals mx plus c, and some of you will have seen y minus b equals m brackets x minus a. You'll have also seen ax plus by plus c equals 0, but probably in the form ax plus by equals c when we were doing simultaneous equations. In this form, a, b and c are not fractions. They're exact values, but not fractions. We should not have a fraction here. That's the whole point with this one. Going back to our original y equals mx plus c, m is the gradient, c is the y-intercept, i.e. where it hits the y-axis. So y equals mx plus c is a line through 0c with a gradient of m. So looking at a few examples, write down the equation of the line with gradient 4 passing through the point 0, negative 1. So m is 4, c is negative 1, so y equals mx plus c, y equals 4x plus negative 1, Plussing a negative is the same as taking away, so y equals 4x minus 1. Looking at the next one, does negative 1, negative 5 lie on the line y equals 4x minus 1, i.e. the line we've just done? So our left-hand side, which is y, is negative 5. Our right-hand side is 4x minus 1, so we sub in the negative 1 for x. So 4 lots of negative 1 is negative 4, minus the other 1 is negative 5. The left-hand side equals the right-hand side, so the point lies on the line. This will be useful later on in the course. So next one, a line has equation 3x plus 2y minus 6 equals 0. State the gradient and y-intercept. So it has to be in the form y equals mx plus c, so we need to rearrange. So here we've got 3x plus 2y minus 6. This is positive, so it can stay on this side. So we move the 3x over and then 6 over. So we take 3x off each side and we add 6 to each side. So we get 2y equals negative 3x add 6. We then divide each bit by 2. So we get y negative 3 over 2 and 3. So looking at it in terms of y equals mx plus c, m is negative 3 over 2 and c is 3, which is, it means 0, 3 is your y-intercept. For this one, find the equation of a line y equals a half x plus 4 in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. So as I said, we do not have fractions in this form. So to get rid of our fraction, the bottom line here is a 2, so we times through by 2. So we get 2y x plus 8. So let's take the 2y over, so we take it off each side. So take 2y off each side leaves us 0. And so we're going to be having x minus 2y plus 8 equals 0. So it's now in the form ax plus by plus c. A is 1, b is negative 2, c would be 8 if it asked us to state it. Little note here, for a horizontal line y equals k, for a vertical line y equals h. K and h are just numbers.